Let's bring in Renita Young. Let's look at the Broadcom report here. So what's so good about it, Renita?
Well, the biggest thing that the company mentioned right off the top was the 10-for-1 stock split.
Okay.
It'll be effective after markets close on July 12th, and then it'll begin trading on a split-adjusted basis before the markets open on July 15th. Otherwise, this company had pretty strong earnings overnight. Adjusted earnings beat estimates, coming in at $10.96 a share. And revenue grew 43% year over year to $12.49 billion, roughly $12.49 billion, also beating estimates. Within that, semiconductor revenue actually rose about 5.8%, and then infrastructure revenue increased 174.5% year over year. Now, the revenue for the company also included contributions from Broadcom's VMware acquisition that actually closed in November of last year. However, the contributions from that were included in this past quarter's earnings. And the CEO said that as data center clusters continue to deploy, the company's revenue mix has actually been shifting more toward networking. And he also said that the company is seeing strong demand from hyperscalers for both AI networking and custom accelerators. Now, the company did boost its full-year revenue guidance to $51 billion. That comes up from the previously expected $50 billion. And of course, the company expects that strength in AI to continue, Oliver.
Okay. Pretty good report, pretty clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
Exactly the word.
Hitting, all the things that are in vogue, the stock split, showing the effective integration of VMware too. A lot of times those big deals sometimes hit a few rough patches, but now that we see that adding into the top line, it really does become a business that has changed dramatically now, kind of after that, where it had been kind of a slower growth business, but VMware is in the right place at the right time for their business.
And it's proven to be a good complement to this company.
Absolutely.
As well. They didn't run into the antitrust concerns that other companies in this space have been running into, and it just a very clean transition.
Yeah. All right, all the price targets going up. Seems like 2000 is what folks are eyeing as kind of the next level for the bulls. Okay, 14% almost, huge move.
Wow.
So I think Apple too helping when they're talking about refresh cycles and trying to get people to update their phones. Broadcom's still a huge supplier to Apple as well.
Of course.
And Apple's trying to rally a little bit here this morning. Okay, all the chips up except Intel. We're used to seeing that. Thanks, Renita.